Welcome to this new video. Honestly, I just don't understand people. With all this snow, where are you trying to go by car? In these kinds of situations, it's better to walk if needed rather than risk driving. Otherwise, we might end up with what we've just seen. I'll let you watch the video and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.
One more? No, come here. Come here. Go. Go. No. Go. Oh my God. Espera. Come out. Because there's people inside.
Los carros no chocan más, vénganse. Los pueden aplastar.
No, espérate, tú vente para acá, Isaac, tú no.